So this was December 5th, 2020, and it was a continuation of a game called as pre-judgmental activity. In fact, the pre-judgmental activity exercise was going on for about 4 or 5 days, and it's a team activity between two teams. And today, on December 5th, we had this shooting activity as a part of the efforts that a team could take for climbing up their top position. So here, the targets were fixed and the students were given different scenarios. The team will be given different scenarios, and according to the scenarios, they will have to shoot the target. Like for example, now one team is aiming and they are shooting the target which are kept on the other table, which clearly means that I have already given them a scenario, and in that scenario there will be some culprits. So they have to visualize and hypothetically think that the targets are the envisioned culprits I have mentioned in the scenario, and they will have to shoot. And the more targets they shoot, the more rewards were given. So it was a little tough for the people for aiming and shooting the targets in accordance with the scenario, but eventually both the teams did really well. And this was a kind of a relative exercise to relate psychologically how they can surmount the struggles that they could possibly have in their life. And this was also instilled as a sport activity in order to make them understand that eventually they can defy the odds. But for defying the odds, they got to be patient. They will have to take care of the distractions. They should take care of all the other deviating paths that could possibly come on their way. So this has been a wonderful team activity. Every single person enjoyed doing this, and they were having a nice time, also enhancing their aiming and visioning ability. So this is the biggest highlight. So they get successful when they are encouraging mutually amongst the team members, and also they face the distractions. Sometimes even the administrator distracts them, and they are able to fall in line properly, and they get some challenges in between, like penalties and bonuses cancellation, penalties enhancement. So after doing that, there was a common discussion, and in the discussion each member was giving the learning insights. Every single person was telling what he or she learned out of this entire exercise. Few people were part of the exercise on the wholesome basis. Some people were part of the exercise on the last 2 days or 3 days. So every single person eventually gave the learning, and sometimes individual attention had been given in order to correct some misconception of thoughts and all that. That always happens in MS evening sessions. So at last, of all the 5 days, what are all the highlights? The highlights of the teams and the weaknesses of the teams were discussed, and each and everything was emphasized, and we took stock of all the good things, and sometimes even the funny things and sometimes even the funny things were also taken into consideration. We always do that for easing up the hard environment sometimes that could possibly come amongst the teams. So it naturally happens with the teens and preteens. The natural sense of humor of the kids will be a very big highlight sometimes, and it will make everybody feel so light. So what you are seeing now is the culmination, and the new student who has come has given his thoughts, and then the administrator tries to consolidate all the scores, and there is a little bit of a prank amongst them. That always happens. So people are very lively here. And the best part I always like is, irrespective of the state of victory or the state of the result that is going to be announced, they never fail to have fun. At the same time, they will never fail to have their learning. So the advantages and disadvantages. Every single day, the nature of the exercise will be different. So in the last section of today's class on December 5th, every single day's performance was highlighted, and each and every nuance was taken into consideration, and it was emphasized, and mistakes were also corrected, and the team is announced as the winner. So this was happening on December 5th, 2020, and it was the end of an activity called as the pre-judgmental decision-making activity. And then, as usual, we were trying to set the foundation for the other activity. So the next activity was discussed, and there were a couple of strategies that were explained and announced for the ensuing day's activity. And on December 6th, there was a new activity that was planned, and that was explained. So that new activity was unlike the previous activity. It was a kind of a board game. So a board game emphasizing some sports, and a new creative strategy was formed, and eventually the board game was introduced to the members, and with that December 5th session came to conclusion.